Car dashcam memory cards ensure continuous video recording, secure accident evidence, reliable storage, and smooth high-definition playback without data loss. Today's video is about top 5 best car dashcam memory cards that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Technostone 128GB microSD memory card. The Technostone Basic Series microSD card delivers impressive performance at an affordable level. Powered by UHSI technology, it offers read speeds up to 90 megabytes per second, making it ideal for 1080p Full HD video recording, smooth app performance with its A1 rating, and quick file transfers. Whether you're capturing moments or backing up important data, it handles everyday tasks efficiently. One of its biggest strengths is broad compatibility. It works seamlessly with smartphones, tablets, dashcams, drones, security cameras, action cameras, and even Nintendo Switch consoles. The included SD adapter adds extra convenience for use with laptops and digital cameras. Durability is another highlight. Designed to be waterproof, shockproof, temperature-proof, X-ray-proof, and magnet-proof, it ensures your data remains safe in challenging environments. Available in 64GB, 128GB, and 256GB options, it caters to different storage needs, from apps and games to 4K videos and thousands of photos. While the displayed capacity may vary slightly due to industry measurement standards, this is completely normal and does not impact performance. Now our second product is Conk 128GB high-speed memory card. The Memory Stick Pro HG Duo 128GB is a reliable storage solution for users who need dependable performance, especially for PSP and compatible digital cameras. With its high-speed Pro Duo HX technology, it supports fast data transfer rates, making it ideal for continuous shooting and capturing high-quality photos without lag. Whether you're gaming on your PSP or storing precious moments from your camera, this memory card ensures smooth and efficient performance. The 128GB capacity provides generous space for games, photos, videos, and other important files, reducing the need for frequent data transfers. Its stable performance makes it a practical choice for everyday use as well as extended recording sessions. Another reassuring aspect is the dedicated customer support. The company stands behind its product and encourages customers to reach out directly if any issues arise. Overall, the Memory Stick Pro HG Duo 128GB offers solid speed, dependable storage, and peace of mind for PSP and camera users. Our third product is Reader Adapter Memory Cards. This 6-in-1 dual-port card reader is a practical and versatile solution for anyone who frequently transfers files between devices. With both USB-C and USB-A connectors, it works seamlessly with modern laptops, tablets, smartphones, and devices like the iPhone 15 Pro/Pro Max, eliminating the need for multiple adapters. The dedicated SD and microSD slots make file transfers quick and convenient. The plug-and-play design is a major advantage. No drivers, Wi-Fi, or software required. Simply connect and access your files instantly. Protective, dust-proof, and splash-resistant caps add durability, making it reliable for travel and everyday use. Its ability to read and write SD and microSD cards simultaneously is perfect for photographers, videographers, and content creators who handle large amounts of data. Broad compatibility with formats like SDXC, SDHC, MMC, and microSDXC ensures flexibility across cameras, drones, dashcams, and more. Compact and credit card sized, it's easy to carry and even includes storage space for multiple cards, making it an excellent on-the-go storage companion. Now number 4, Sundersea Portable Memory Card. This 4-in-1 SD card reader is a highly practical accessory for users who frequently transfer files across multiple devices. Equipped with USB, USB-C, Type-C, micro-USB, SD and microSD slots, plus a dedicated charging port for iPhone and iPad, it offers impressive versatility in a compact design. Switching files between smartphones, tablets, and computers is simple and efficient. A standout feature is the built-in charging port, allowing you to charge your iPhone or iPad while transferring data. This eliminates battery concerns during large file transfers, especially useful when handling photos or videos. The reader supports real-time, high-speed two-way transmission, helping save time while managing files. It also enables easy data viewing and organization across iOS devices, iOS 8.0 and later, OTG-enabled Android phones, and computers. With support for memory cards up to 512 GB, it's suitable for heavy storage needs. Slim, lightweight, and designed with a keychain attachment, it's easy to carry and perfect for travel, ensuring your data access is always within reach. And our last choice is Amazon Basics SDXC memory card. This high-performance micro SD card delivers excellent speed, reliability, and versatility for everyday and professional use. It's compatible with smartphones, tablets, cameras, DSLRs, drones, laptops, game consoles, and action cameras like GoPro, though it is not compatible with Nintendo Switch 2. With read speeds up to 100 MB per second and write speeds up to 90 MB per second, depending on capacity, it handles full HD and 4K video recording smoothly. Its UHS, U3, Class 10, and A2 ratings ensure fast uploading and responsive smartphone performance, making it ideal for high-resolution photos, large files, and demanding applications. Durability is another strong point. The card is shockproof, IPX6 waterproof, temperature-resistant, -10 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius, X-ray proof, and magnetic proof, providing dependable protection in tough environments. While actual available storage may appear slightly lower due to standard measurement differences, performance remains unaffected. Overall, this microSD card offers fast speeds, broad compatibility, and long-lasting reliability in a compact form. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.